let's make an Uttapam dosa and a pizza like this today. See the whole video. Let's make the Uttapam. The Dosa Batter recipe is there in my channel. Please visit my channel. Place a skillet on a high heat. Drizzle some oil. When it's hot, pour the batter over the top skillet. Lightly spread. Don't make it a big thin flat. You can see the holes, that means it's cooking well. Drizzle some oil on top of the dosa and the edges. You can use any toppings you like. I'm using chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, some chopped curry leaves, and green chilies. And let it cook crispy at the bottom and flip it. Make some small holes. It will help us to cook the Uttapam easily because it's thick. Flip it over. You can see a nice crispy outside. Uttapam is ready. Let's move on to the next, the pizza, the Italian pizza. Make the Uttapam as same as what we made before, whichever toppings you like. Flip it over and make it crisp, and when it's cooked, flip it back. Sprinkle some the Italian mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle all over the Uttapam. Place a cover on the top and let it melt. You can see it's beautifully melted. Remove from the edges. Place on a serving plate and you can stretch like this. The real pizza. So good. Please try it at least one time. Then you will be a fan of this Uttapam pizza in Indian style. If you like it, please try it. And if you like it, share it and comment it. And support me by subscribing my channel. Jaws.